How to download movies on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you're going to need to go to Prime Video. So that should be on the homepage of your Amazon Fire Tablet here. Click on the Prime Video app. Once you've done that, you've either got the free section, which is going to be the Prime videos, or the paid for ones, which is going to be in the store. So if you want the paid for ones, they're in the store here. You can rent or buy them, etc. But I'm assuming most of you will want the free ones with the Prime video, etc. here. So once you click on the movies bit at the top of the page there, you can go ahead and click on any of these movies here that are with Prime and they're going to be free. So for this example here, I'll click on the Proposal one. So you can click onto that, then scroll down here until you see a section where it says download. Click on that download button. You can do best, better, good, or data saver. That's obviously going to be how good the video quality is going to be. Click start download. Then obviously wait until the download's done. I'll fast forward it here. Once it's done, click complete. And then once you click the complete section there, you can take them to the downloads page. That's where you can go ahead and click on the movie when you're offline, if you're on a flight or whatever. But also if you've just let it go in the background, you want to find all your downloaded movies, all you have to do is go onto Prime Video, click the top right hand corner where your profile is, a little circle there, and then you'll see all the movies you downloaded here. You can also delete them as well if you want to save storage space. That's going to be linked to the end of the video here and in the description below if you want to know how to delete the movies you just downloaded there. But leave a like on the video if they helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.